Hello, I am Anuj Rai with my teammates Vineet Kumar Singh and Vikas Bisnoi under the guidance of Dr. Jairam Kumar, Department of Mechanical Engineering, IIT Kanpur. We have been able to fabricate a magnetic abrasive finishing machine which uses electromagnet. Towards the beginning of the project in mid-August 2015, we intended to design a surface finishing machine having variable magnetic material removal rate and which can finish the surface up to the order of 100 nanometers. As we intend to design for variable material removal rate, which indeed is dependent upon the magnetic field which binds the abrasive particle, we need to vary the magnetic field, which is a tedious job to do using permanent magnets. So in order to simplify the process, we used electromagnet in which we can vary the magnetic field very easily by just controlling the current flowing through the coil. For a surface finishing process to be completed, we need 3 degrees of translational freedom and 1 degree of rotation. As we are targeting for a surface finish of several nanometers, so the tolerances were too tight. So we decided to use 5-point support for each and every translational degree of freedom. And finally, we come up with a design in which the workpiece is located in the horizontal plane and having 1 degree of translational freedom. Here we can see the assembly for the sideways movement of the tool, and now we can see the assembly for the vertical movement of the tool. The tool is located in the vertical plane having 2 degrees of translational and 1 degree of rotation of the tool spindle about its own axis. As we switch on the power supply, the electromagnet generates magnetic field and the abrasive particles which are magnetic in nature gets attracted and the brush gets formed. As the tool descends and the height of the tool from the workpiece surface is about 2 millimeters, sufficient pressure is generated which can machine the surface and the machining process starts. Surface finishing have been in use from long since to remove oxide layers from shafts, and the main use is in the medical field in which knee joint replacement we need the two mating surface to be smooth enough so that the friction is not felt by the patient. And since the geometry is too complex, so it can't be machined manually, so we need a finishing machine to machine the metallic knee joints. As our machine has a pointed tool tip, so it makes point contact with the surface and it can machine very complex geometries also.